Welcome back to Kitchen Secret. Today, we're making a creamy and refreshing banana strawberry smoothie that's perfect for breakfast or a healthy snack. Let's get started. First, wash the fresh strawberries thoroughly under clean running water. Next, remove the green tops from the strawberries. Slice the strawberries into small pieces. Now, add the sliced banana to the blender. Next, add the sliced strawberries. Pour in 1 cup of cold milk. Add half a cup of Greek yogurt. Drizzle in 1 tablespoon of honey. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now add a handful of ice cubes. Secure the blender lid tightly. Press the power button and blend until the smoothie becomes smooth, creamy, and beautifully pink. Open the blender. Place a tall serving glass on the countertop. Slowly pour the smoothie into the glass. Garnish with a fresh strawberry slice. Now add a few banana slices on top. Place a reusable straw into the smoothie. And that's it. Your delicious banana strawberry smoothie is ready to enjoy. It's creamy, naturally sweet, and packed with fresh fruit flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kitchen Secret, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite smoothie or which recipe you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Kitchen Secret recipe.